All right, so let me see you hit a few here, and let's see what's going on. What club is that you're hitting?
8-iron.
Okay.
Shot, right?
Okay. Well, I think why you're having the biggest issue is actually ball position right now. I'd like to see you set up again. So currently, don't hit the ball. So currently, right now, this is where you're set up with your 8-iron. You're about, I'd say, 10% inside of center, which is more of a setup for like a 6-iron, a 6 or a 5-iron. So in other words, your ball position is a little too far forward right now for this club. I'd like to see it more about on that line. That's more 8-iron ball position, kind of more just behind middle. So let's move that ball back a little bit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this like this, and this gives you an idea of where a little quick. That's
Went
okay.
straight though.
It did. Just got a little quick. Better.
Went straight.
Yeah. No, it was much better. The thing is your ball position was just so far forward, so you're already getting to this position where what should be impact, where you would hit the ball square, and you're actually impacting it here. So you're actually getting your club face is starting to make the turnover almost. So you're impacting it almost a little too late, and that's what's resulting in that left shot. I think you're just not giving it enough time.
Is that good?
Or too much time, I should say.
Is that good?
Yes, much better. Very good. And a good point of reference for that, honestly, is always think of, or at least I always think of my 7-iron as kind of the middle of my stance. I always reference it that way, and then I kind of work about a golf ball back or forward, depending on which club I'm going to be using. So if I'm going to go 8-iron, I'm thinking, okay, my 7-iron center. If I'm in the center here, I'm going to go ahead and go, okay, 8-iron, so I want to be about there, which isn't a big difference. But I literally went from here to here. So I just think I want my club to be just inside of my right zipper here. So that's kind of how I know. And then I know 9-iron is going to be another ball back, and so on and so forth. When you get down to the wedges, it's kind of complicated. I mean, I think it can be more like a half a ball. I mean, you don't have to be moving it a ball for every club. Typically, that's what they say. You know, we got a driver almost, I'd say maybe 10% inside your left foot, and then it just goes back.
Driver position?
Sure.
Like my drives and everything were one left?
Yeah, that'd be great. Sure. Need one up for you here.
I'm going to move this so I show you what I'm doing. That's where I'd normally set up.
Okay. Take a look. I'd like it maybe just a little bit further inside. So a little bit further this way. Yes.
So I need to move my feet that way?
Yes. I want to, yeah, there you go. I want you to get a chance to impact the ball just a little bit sooner. Good.
That was much better too.
What'd that feel like to you?
Well, it felt good and it definitely went straight.
Okay.
Versus I say yesterday, like everything was going left. So.
Okay, good.
So how's that?
A little more inside, just a hair. There you go. Perfect. little quick, a little jumpy. And the only other thing I would say too is that I can see is you tend to, once in a while, you tend to kind of come up with it a little bit. So what I want you to work on, number one, is this alignment. You know, getting the ball positioned correctly is very important. Then I also want you to work on really keeping your head down through impact, and just try and hold it down a little longer than what you normally feel.
What was that?
That's good. Better?
Did I keep it down longer?
You did good. Okay, now what I want you to do is just go ahead and set up. Go ahead and set up
To where?
to the bag. I want you to, we don't need a ball. Yeah, go ahead and set up to the bag like you're gonna hit the bag. And what I want you to do is take it up to the top, and I want you to swing, not full, but I want you to slowly go into impact, and I want you to act like you're hitting the bag. That's what I want you to feel. I want you to feel that position of head down and down driving into the ball. And that's a great thing to practice. We have an impact bag. We have to get you an impact bag. It's a great thing to do. Down into it, yes.